they doing up at your house, the kids?
I don't know. I left.
Well, Dad went up there. Oh, maybe to show the boys the rest of the cars.
Yes, they're up the garage, yeah.
You're supposed to smile.
Jan, you got a beaming light behind you, like an angel.
Thank you.
Oh no, that is angel
It's,
behind you.
it's called an
Were
aura.
you outside when Teddy?
This is my aura, right here.
Were you outside when Teddy says, "I don't want anybody looking at me"?
No, it's so funny.
You know it. I couldn't believe he said that. Told his mother to turn around. I don't want anybody looking at me.
He's funny. Those are the cutest darn kids. Oh my gosh.
Did you guys put some things in here to get cold real fast?
No, we took them out.
Oh.
It was the,
Did you
the
use
Diet Cokes.
Did you use the turbo button?
Yeah, he did. He put Diet Cokes in.
That turbo button is amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
I remembered don't do that. That's terrible.
Okay, which one's the silverware?
Okay.
Ooh, first shot.
There. First shot.
Honey, don't. That is mean.
What's mean about it? I'm just
Okay,
recording.
Ron, we'll play the game. I'll photograph you taking movies. Very nice.
Oh my
I'm
God.
loving that.
You like that?
Oh yeah, that's a good shot. I'm turning back up.
I like my close-ups.
Oh, they're awesome. Ooh, awesome. That's sort of like the Spanish dip or something.
Okay, I'm turning mine off now. Turn yours off.